felt his interest quicken, 5 steps ahead of the hopes inside his head. So I slowed down, waited. I pretended surprised, acted at listening, all while knowing that we'd get off this bus and he just seemed to think to ask me to dinner, chivalrously insist on walking me home, continue to converse until I invited him up. And I was only in the second moment of conversation. Dramaturgically speaking, after a faltering and slightly comical first act, there was the briefest of intermission, right before the second act. It was extremely capable and forceful and sustained. Second act. And the climax, and a gentle denouement. And before the post-play discussion, I lay there in the dark, on my back, and I thought about you, Uncle. This is the allure. Being older, being first, being the translator, the teacher, the epicure, the already jaded. I get it. This is how the giver gets taken.